We have a treadmill, Precor treadmill, and throwing up some error codes and not turning on. One of the key factors that I find on these are due to this box right here. It's the incoming power source. As you could tell when you inspect these wires, that one is burnt. So what we want to do is remove that, and then I have new ones here, clean end. What'll happen is it's not making a good connection here. If you can see, kind of a bad picture, but it's not making a good connection. I'll install this new one, fire it back up, and if you caught it in time that it won't damage your IFT box, you can save that. If not, we can send that IFT box out for a repair, and it takes about a week to 2 weeks to get back.